We are testing the third device this year at the flagship level in terms of processor. The Poco X4 GT has launched here as the Redmi K50i. But is the structural build quality and drop resistance also of flagship quality? That's what we are here to find out. Once again, we get a clean white box with golden and grey letters. The Redmi K20 Pro had some orange-red accents on it. It's simply awesome to see some amount of accessory inside the box in a time where some brands do not give even basic stuff like a charging adapter, let alone a case. The soft case here is as usual of good quality and gives adequate protection to the prominent camera bump at the back. The Poco X4 GT or Redmi K50i, apart from the flagship processor, also looks premium with those huge dual metal rings on the triple camera unit. From a distance, you may fool people into thinking that the back is frosted glass with a golden yellow shine from certain angles. Good job there by Xiaomi, and one less place to worry about shatter. The body seems to somewhat flex a bit in my usual trial bend, yet seems sturdy at the same time. We'll prove the actual build quality during the bend test. Again, it's great to see the 67 watts adapter inside the box. In comparison to lower wattage chargers, you need to spend and buy separately for devices costlier than this, like Nothing or iPhones. Starting the drop test with low pocket height drops, will the K50i or Poco X4 GT manage to survive fail season? First pocket drop from the frosted finish back. The drop resistance is absolutely fine for low drops. No damages, dents or shatter as yet. Next, moving on to 4 high drops from different angles. First high drop from bottom side. From a Poco device and a flagship K series device, the design is good enough to survive heavy drop impacts. No major damages apart from the minor hiccup, which can be prevented with protection. Next, moving on to fun stuff with value, the bend test. We are obviously expecting the structural build quality to be of flagship level. Definitely an uncomfortable amount of bend degree. The flex is a bit too much for comfort from the display side. About the same degree of flex from the backside too. Despite the massive bend angle, the body manages to hold on for now. The K series and the Poco brand have managed to maintain its build quality record, not even a kink in the frame, since it locks out, preventing damage. The Redmi K50i or Poco X4 GT passes the bend test.